Freezing your credit through Credit Karma is an essential step in protecting yourself against identity theft and unauthorized access to your credit information. However, it's important to note that Credit Karma doesn't directly offer a service to freeze your credit. Instead, they provide access to your credit reports from TransUnion and Equifax, and you can freeze your credit through these credit bureaus. Here's how to do it. Log into Credit Karma. Open the Credit Karma app or visit their website. Log into your account to access your credit reports. Access your credit reports. Once logged in, navigate to the credit reports section to view your reports from TransUnion and Equifax. Freeze your credit with Equifax. Go to the Equifax website. Under the Security Freeze section, select the option to freeze your credit. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one and verify your identity. Follow the instructions to freeze your credit. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one and verify your identity. Follow the instructions to freeze your credit. Freeze your credit with TransUnion. Similarly, visit TransUnion's website. Select the credit freeze option and follow the instructions to set up a freeze. Confirm the freeze. Once you've completed the steps for both bureaus, your credit will be frozen, preventing anyone from accessing your credit information without your permission.